Good day to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to trade boom and crash using the support and resistance levels. Okay, how to trade boom and crash using the support and resistance levels. I've been getting lots and lots of messages from some of my subscribers asking me how to identify the support and resistance levels and how to use it to trade boom and crash. Okay, so I've decided to create a training video on it today so that you guys will understand what the support and resistance levels are, and also how to identify them and how to put them into use. Okay, so these are some of the things we'll be looking at in today's video. But before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can trade successfully and make some money within the forex niche. Okay, so if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set it to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And if you have any question at all about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, feel free to contact me. Or even if you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. So quickly, we'll be looking at what we have for today, which is how to trade boom and crash successfully using the support and resistance levels. Okay, I'll quickly take us to this Jamboard. Okay, just to explain a few things for us before going to the main chart. Okay, to check out what we need to explain. Okay, so personally, you should understand that the support and resistance levels are those levels that the price actions are finding difficult to break out from. Okay, if the price action is going on an uptrend, this it can get to this level, come back, go to that, get to that level again, come back, then get there again and come back. Okay, so this means that there is a barrier here that is affecting it from breaking out successfully, and this time around it can now come down this way, so it can go that way. Okay, there is a major resistance level. Okay, resistance level always come from above, while support level comes from below. Okay, it can get to this level then go back up. Okay, so here is a support level. Of course, there are some minor ones that happens right here. Okay, but these are major ones. Okay, resistance level and support level. Okay, these are major ones that happens, guys. Okay, I'm going to let you know that here are where we usually have, in most cases, reversal of price actions. Okay, when they are unable to break that resistance level, then it will definitely revert back on downtrend, and when it is unable to break this support level, it will definitely reverse back on uptrend. Okay, so these are very important. So once you know this, then you will know how to go into the market. Okay, and once they break out from this, okay, let's say it breaks out from a resistance level, let's say it was moving up like this, and it breaks out from this. Okay, let's say it get there, came back down, then this time around went back to retest it and breaks out from here. Okay, it shoots up totally. Okay, it shoots up totally, and it might go up for a very long time, and that way it will be targeting the next resistance level, and this side now become, it has now turned into a support level for this region. Okay, so that is how it works. So the resistance level has now changed into a support level. So that is why when you see some indicator will be telling you that there is a resistance level right here, and but once the price action breaks it, that resistance level will be erased immediately, because it's no longer a resistance level. It has been broken at that point. Okay, it's no longer a resistance level for this particular trade. Okay, it has turned into a support level at that point. So it is not the indicator that is misbehaving. That is not repenting. That is not misbehaving. It is what the market is throwing at us. Okay, most of the time we try to blame the indicator. The indicator is actually coded based on what based on certain strategies that the coder actually use. Okay, so once those strategies are met, the indicator will work well. Once that strategies are not met, definitely the indicator will go the other way. It's not going to, it will look as if it is not working at that particular point. Not that it is not working, but there are some things you cannot control. This is TA, this is technical analysis. Okay, once you know your technical analysis, even if you are doing your analysis on your own without the indicator, and you know that the price action is going to a resistance level, then definitely you should know that there is going to be a reversal in price action at this point. Okay, and if you are expecting a reversal at this point and you placed an order, let's say just the way the indicator will give you a sell order here. Okay, and you already placed an order there. Okay, and at that point, instead of it bouncing back, it breaks out from that resistance level at that point. Okay, will you now say that your analysis is wrong? No, it is not wrong. But what actually happened is that the forces of the market at that point was too powerful for the resistance to hold on to. Okay, for the resistance to hold on to, so it broke out from that resistance level, and that is why it shoots out. And this is why we call this side, what the action that happens here, as breakout action. Okay, as breakout action. And whenever you are trading boom and crash, because this time around I'm using it to explain how to use it to trade boom and crash. Whenever you are trading boom and crash, okay, for boom, your support level is very, very important. Your support level is where we usually have spikes happening. Okay, around the support level we usually have spikes happening around there. So once your price action, let's say you are selling on boom, let's say this is boom chart, and you were selling, and there is a support level here. Okay, and you've been selling and selling, and it is already approaching the support level. You can exit your market around here immediately before it gets to this support level. Okay, sometimes it will be very close to it before the spike will happen, and sometimes it will get to the point before it will happen, and sometimes it will go a little bit below it before the spike will happen. So it is always important you close your trade if you are selling at that point before the spike will happen. For crash, your resistance level is very, very important. Okay, your resistance level is very important, because that is where we usually have spikes happening in crash. Okay, that is where we usually have the drop down candle happening in spike. Okay, so in crash. So once your price action is moving from down like this and going up and up and up, and it is approaching a resistance level, then you should stay away from the market immediately, so that you won't be involved in the spike that is happening in crash. So all these tools are very, very important. And how do we know the best time to go into the market for boom, the best time to go in the market into the market is when the market is coming from a resistance level. You go in and trade for a very long time, because you're going to go in right from here and close it around here. Okay, that is the first one. The second one is when there is a breakout action. Okay, then it is very good to go in at that particular time. For crash, the best time to go is from a support level. Once you go from a support level, then you will be able to make the market successful, because you're going to trade right from below here to the last part like this. Okay, so that is the way it works. Now let's go straight to the trading platform. Okay, this is the trading platform, but before we go fully into this, remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Okay, so let's go straight to the trading platform. Okay, so check it out. This is boom 1000, and here is a resistance level, just the way you have seen it. You can see that the price action has actually gotten to this before, came down, then went there again, and this time around came down. Okay, so you can see your resistance level right here. So if you had come in right here to sell, okay, this is where we have our support levels. You can see that it got there several times, got there here, got there here, here, and here, and here. So this area is the support region. Okay, so if you had come in around here, you will be in the market till this level. Okay, and this is 15-minute time frame, so you can do your calculation. We can know the number of candles created from here to here. That is how many candles? 37 candles. So you can go back to your drawing board or to your calculator and do your calculations. Okay, check out another resistance level here. So this is another resistance level. So if you pick your trade from the resistance level, you can always milk the market for a very long time. Here is another resistance, support level. Check out this support level. Let's say you pick your trade here, so you can be in the market till this level. This is actually 30 candles created, okay, on 15-minute time frame. So you can use that to trade successfully. Check out this resistance level. It got there here the first time, came back and got there again, and it is still selling at the moment, and we are yet to see the exit arrow. Of course, this resistance level has been initiated right from here. You can see it got there here, was unable to break it, got there here, was unable to break it, and this time around it has gotten there again. So all these are very, very important. So you should learn to understand how to analyze your market, so that you can identify your support and resistance level, and these bars are also there to do the work for you. If you should place the cursor on the red bar, it's going to tell you verified tested resistance level. Okay, if you should put your cursor right here, it's going to tell you the strength of the support level, and as we can see, it is an untested support level. So this is the support level, even though it is yet to be retested. Okay, so but this is coming down. This might get to this level and test this, and let's hope that it's going to test this too. Okay, so that is how you can use it to trade your boom and crash successfully. At every point where you have your resistance level, you should know that there can be a pullback and there can be a breakout action, but in most cases you first have a pullback before there will be a breakout action. Okay, so once there is a breakout action, the market is tend to go above or below that support or resistance level. Okay, and when there is a pullback or a total reversal in price action, then definitely the price is coming back downward towards or upward towards the against the initial trend. Okay, so that is how to go about it. Okay, and there is no way you will do your analysis completely without knowing the trend. Okay, once you know the trend of the market, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Don't worry, I'll be talking more on the trend and how to use the trend to trade. Okay, how to identify the trend, how to use it to trade, and how to do all this, how to combine the trend and the support and resistance levels together in order to have a successful trading journey. But for now, I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.